Hey guys, this is Tyler with Destination Harley Davidson in Silverdale, and today I was going to talk to you guys about your key fobs. Right now they're currently back ordered till November, and so if you need a spare one, make sure you get one now so it arrives here sooner than later. I'm also going to show you guys how to start your bikes using your combination pin that is set up from the factory, and then how to reset it yourself. Let's say you guys got back from a long ride, you took all your laundry, you threw it in the laundry machine, you find out you actually washed your fob. Now your bike won't start, you have to call us, it's going to be a big mess. So I'm going to show you guys how to start the bike without having to use your key. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn on the ignition. Nothing's going to come on the screen, it's going to stay blank. But if you look at your odometer, after a few seconds it'll say enter pin. You're then going to use your turn signals to actually go through and set your combination. You're going to hit the final button being enter, and then the bike will actually start up just the same as if you had your key fob. Okay, so if you want to change or reset your pin, you're just going to make sure you have your keys in hand. You're going to walk over to your bike. You're going to turn the ignition to the on position. You're going to take the ignition switch. You're going to flip through the combination 5 times, on, off, on, off. You're going to hit the left turn signal twice, and then it'll say enter pin on the odometer. You're going to hit the right turn signal once, and then it will take you to the screen to allow you to change it to any 5-digit combination you like. So the left turn signal is going to take you 1 through 9. And the right turn signal is going to be enter. So now that I'm at 1, I'm going to go right 1, back to 1, over. If you pass it, like I do here, you're just going to keep going through and just go back to 1. And it's going to be the combination of any 5 numbers, so you can use your zip code, date of birth, whatever you want to do. Okay folks, so if you still have your key fob, please make sure you go out to the garage, you know your combination, you're familiar with how to input it. Make sure if you don't have a spare fob, you get one, and make sure you order it now because they are back ordered till November, and that way when something happens to it, you'll be ready. And don't forget to like and subscribe.